In this video, I'm going to show you how to put location in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead into Google Maps. Google Maps is the best way to add or put a location. This is because you can actually embed this Google Map by itself within Notion itself. What you want to do is you want to head over to a specific place. Let's say I want to do the Los Angeles Zoo. And on the left-hand side, you will see a tab for Overview. And within Overview, you want to go to the very right-hand side where you will see the Share button. Click on that. And then what you want to do is you want to click on Copy Link. You want to go back into Notion, and within Notion, you want to go to the left-hand side where you will find the navigation panel, and you want to head over to a page. Within a page, you want to scroll into a blank space, click on it, and then you want to do a slash, and then type on embed. Press enter, and it will ask you to paste a link. Paste the link that we got from Google Maps, and then click on embed link. As you can see, the location itself will be embedded, as well as it will also have a feature to interact with Google Maps itself. You can also make it smaller. You can make it into the side, depending on your liking. And that's about it. That's how to put location in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.